question is, what are hybridization state of each carbon atom in the following compound? Now let us quickly have a look on the question. The question given to us is the first one. We have CH2 double bond C double bond O. Okay. Now if I look into carefully, I'll write down this again. Here it is CH2 double bond C double bond O. Now, if I carefully look into the carbon atom, this carbon atom, let me number this. This is first carbon and this is the second carbon. Now, when I talk about C1 is sp hybridized. Okay, now why it is sp hybridized? Everything about the hybridization already I have explained in the topic. Now, when I talk about sp, if there is presence of 2 sigma bond, okay, this 1 and 1, 2 sigma bond, then it is sp. If it is 3 sigma bond, then it is sp2. If it is 4 sigma bond, then it is sp3. Okay, but over here for the first carbon, I can see there is 1 and 1. Okay, that means a total 2 sigma bond. So this carbon atom, the first carbon atom, it is sp hybridized. Then coming to the second carbon atom, the C2, it is, if I look into this particular carbon, how many sigma bonds are present? I'll just expand this structure. I can write it down as CH. Okay, let us quickly find out. This is 1, 2, and then the third one. So total 3 sigma bond. Then I can say that it is a sp2 hybridized. Clear? Let us proceed ahead with the second question. The second question is CH3 CH double bond CH2. Let us quickly write down now. Again, we are going to number it. Suppose this is the first, second, and then the third carbon. Now C1, if I look into C1 is, this is C1. So it is having 1 double bond. That means total 3 sigma bonds are present. Let me quickly expand this structure. This is H, okay. Here this is H and this is H3. I can write it down in this way, H3 and then the third hydrogen here. Okay, this is the third carbon. So if I carefully look into the first carbon atom, C1, since it is having how many bonds are present? Sigma bond 1, 2 and 3. So this is sp2 hybridized. Okay, it is sp2 hybridized. Let us talk about now C2. C2, how many are present? If I write down the number of sigma bond, C2 already 1 is present on the right hand side. This is 2 and 3. So total how many are present? 3 sigma bond. So it is sp2 hybridized, right? Then C3, how many are present? Total 4 sigma bonds. This is 1, right hand side already 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total 4 sigma bond, that means it is sp3 hybridized. Clear? Similarly, let us write down now the third one. The third one is CH3. We have this 2 times, okay, CH3 CO. So CH3 present on this carbon atom twice. And then we have double bond O. Clear? Again, it is of the similar type. So quickly I'll write down the position. This is 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now C1, if I talk about the C1, it is having all the sigma bond. Okay. Single bond. That means 4 sigma bond. So this is sp3. If there is one double bond, then it is what? It is sp2. And again, C3, all bonds are what? All bonds are a sigma bond. Okay, so it is C3 is having sp3 hybridized carbon. Clear? Okay. Coming to now the fourth one. The fourth one is, I'll write down here, fourth. The fourth one is CH2 double bond CH. Cn is nothing but C triple bond N. Okay, C triple bond N. Now quickly we will write down. This is having one double bond. Let me number. This is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so C1 is having triple bond on one side and single bond on the other side. That means total 2 sigma bonds are present. Triple bond, in one triple bond, there is one sigma bond present, and on the left hand side, there is one sigma bond. So 2 sigma bond means it is sp. Okay. C2, here C2, I can see there is what? There is a presence of 3 sigma bond, right? There are presence of 3 sigma bond. Right hand side 1, this is 2, and the third one with the hydrogen. So 3 sigma bond means it is sp2. And C3, it is having how many sigma bond? It is having again 3 sigma bond. So again it is what? It is sp. Clear? So this is how we are going to answer. Now the last one, the fifth question. The fifth one is C6H6. So C6H6 is basically the benzene ring. And we know that if I draw the structure of a benzene, this is benzene ring. And each and every carbon atom, since it is containing a double bond, so how many sigma bonds it has? Here there is one hydrogen. So how many sigma bond? 1. Okay, this is 1, 2, and 3. Because the fourth one is a pi bond. So basically 3 sigma bonds it has. That means it contains what? All the carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. Okay, all the carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. So all carbon sp2 hybridized. Clear? So this is how we are going to answer such type of question, the question based on hybridization. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you.